Hi guys, this is Shruti and welcome to Karmakar's Kitchen. Subscribe my channel for more amazing recipes every week. Also do not forget to like, share and leave a valuable comment. It's the season of mangoes and we make many delicacies made with it. Be it mango shake, mango sandesh, mango doi, the list is endless. Therefore today I have brought an incredibly delicious mango dessert which is Mango Rosogolla. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and check out the recipe. For making Mango Rosogolla, first thing we need is CHHANA, also known as cottage cheese. So here I have got near about 300 grams of CHHANA. This is freshly homemade out of 1 liter of whole milk. More or less everyone knows how to make CHHANA. However, if you want to know in detail, then please check out my previous Rosogolla recipe where I have shown in detail how to make CHHANA. The link is in the description box and in the iCard as well. Crumble the chena and knead a little bit before adding other ingredients. Now add 1 teaspoon of plain flour, also known as maida. Maida will help in binding the Rosogolla together. Now mash again. Here I have got puree of mango pulp. I have used 1 ripe mango and made puree of its pulp with the help of a blender. Now I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of this puree in the cottage cheese. The rest I am saving for later use. You will know why I am saving it. Just stay tuned. I am keeping it completely organic, therefore I am not adding any color. If you wish, you can add yellow or orange food color at this stage. Now mix nicely and knead applying pressure of your palm. In total knead for about 10 minutes. However, do not knead too much as it may lose its fat. After kneading it for some time, CHHANA should turn into a smooth dough and it should hold any shape of your choice. Once CHHANA dough is ready, cover and keep aside and move on to make sugar syrup for our Rosogollas. For the syrup, in a deep bottomed pan or a wok, add 1 cup of sugar. I am using a teacup over here for measuring, and with the same teacup I am adding 4 cups of water into the wok. We need thin syrup for making Rosogolla. Dissolve the sugar completely. Now is the time to add the remaining mango pulp puree that we saved earlier. Once again, I would like to mention that I am keeping it completely organic, hence I am not adding mango essence or any kind of color. If you wish, you can add mango essence or color at this stage. Let it blend with the sugar and water nicely and bring it to boil. Let the syrup come to a complete roll boil. Meanwhile, let's prepare the CHHANA balls. Take small portion out of the dough, roll it with your hands and make small cheese balls just the way I am showing you over here. A smooth crack-free CHHANA ball is ready. Proceed and finish off making more balls. Cute little CHHANA balls are ready to dive into the syrup. I made a total of 14 balls. The syrup has come to a complete roll boil. Now drop the CHHANA balls gradually. Do it very gently so that it doesn't break. I'm also adding 2 pods of green cardamom. This is optional, but I believe it will enhance the flavor. Now cover and boil on high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the cover and turn the Rosogollas upside down. It should move freely in the syrup so that it's cooked evenly. Cover again and boil for another 5 minutes on high flame. 5 minutes have passed. Remove the cover and see how gorgeous they look. Rasagollas have doubled up in size. Now we are gonna boil it again, but this time without the cover, and boil on medium flame for about 10 minutes. Therefore, total duration of boiling is 20 minutes. It's been boiling for more than 10 minutes now without the cover. Now turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Mango Rasagollas have turned out so amazing and delicious. I'm so proud of it because I haven't used any color or essence whatsoever, yet it has got real mango flavor in it. It's so soft and just melts into your mouth. I hope you found the video helpful. Please leave a like, comment and share the video with your family and friends. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week with a new one. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.